Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Wadekar. I am lead tech support analyst here at BMC Software. Today I'm going to talk about the sequential approval feature available with the BMC Remedy ITSM Process Designer. You can refer the online documentation from which I followed the steps for this video tutorial. There are a number of occasions where you have to go through multiple approvals. Let us create a sample process and I'll show you the demo. As you can see in my screen, I opened Process Designer and build a simple process for the sequential approval. So in this example, we have three approvers to approve the request. First is Alan, Bob, Mary, and once these three approvers approve the request will eventually create the backend incident. In case of the rejection happens with any of the approver, user will be notified. So within each of these tasks, I use an approval action here. And I see that with Process Designer, we can only use service request ad hoc kind of approval. Now, as an end user, I go ahead and request a service that is tied up with the sequential approval. So basically, this user is requesting a MacBook, and before he gets his MacBook, he has to go to multiple approvals, that the process that we just saw. And then I'm going to say the moment I hit submit, the request will first go to waiting for approval, as you can see. And within the process view, you can see the process is getting attached. So within here, if you see, it has to get the approval from Alan. Let's just get the approval from Alan. So as an Alan Elbrook, let us approve the request. Once Alan approves the request, it will go to Bob for an approval. You can see as user Bob logged in and he approved the request. Let's go back to the process, refresh it. You can see that the approval has to be needed from Mary. Let us go ahead and approve the request from user Mary. So user Mary is going to approve the request. Now, if you go back to the process, we gone through all three approvals and it is at the create incident, and within the process designer details, you can see the incident has been created. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.